You like your voice?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Does he sound like a little chipmunk?
Yep, he still like a little chipmunk. Let's see, why don't we let him join our picnic? Why don't we let him come here? Welcome to our picnic. Welcome to our picnic. A picnic. Come into our picnic. Come on, picnic. Enjoy our picnic. Come on. Come on. Help us, that boy. You can die. You can die. Let us go. We got mini. Let's see. We have mini sandwiches. Alright, you're taking pictures of the squirrel? It's our picnic. Oh, look, Dad, look at the squirrel.
I know, huh? He just came and helped himself to a sandwich.
Bam, poo.
Leave him alone, Lex. Let him eat.
Bam, poo. Let him eat. Hey, the person, that's my food. Huh? Sleep on a can of bird. Bird! Come here. Buddy! Mother, the mamma gotta eat a food. Won't? Not eat a food. But he was hungry, Daddy, that he never ate, huh?
He wants chips.
Right there. There you go. He needs sour, huh, Dad? It's sour, huh? Good, little hot day.